Hello internet world. In this video I want to take a closer look at the Elgato Wall Mount. This is part of Elgato's multi-mount accessory series, and this is a really useful product for mounting various pieces of equipment to the wall, as the name would suggest. Comes in a rather plain box. Inside we get a quick start guide and of course the Elgato Wall Mount. So let's take a closer look at the quick start guide. This is a really useful information sheet. It gives you the dimensions of the wall mount, also a template that you can use to make holes if you need to, and that's pretty much it. It is quite a straightforward piece of kit to install. The actual wall mount itself is constructed really well. Now of course you can use this in conjunction with other accessories from the Elgato multi-mount range, or you can use it by itself, and that's how I've been using mine. So this end here has got 4 holes which you can attach to a wall. You have to provide your own suitable wall mount fixings, but you basically put the screws through these 4 holes. And then the arm itself is constructed of this short middle section and then 2 ball joints on either end. And if you imagine this was actually attached to your wall, and then this end here was attached to something like a web camera or a light, an LED light for example, like a video light, or some sort of other accessory. And then once this is attached to the wall, you've got 2 areas where you can adjust the angle. So if we loosen this first one off, we of course can adjust and lock in on this angle, and it's very easy to do. We just simply lock this down, and then we've got this second angle adjustment here where we can loosen this off and of course adjust this angle on the little threaded mount head. Because these are on ball joints, they can rotate as well, so they are really flexible in the way that you can position these to get the ideal angle for either your web camera, light. You could even attach a microphone to these. They are so useful. This is the Elgato Wall Mount. It's beautifully constructed, very flexible in its use case scenarios. I've been using this system for a good couple of years now, and I've been using my wall mounts for just over 4 weeks, I think it is, and they just are so useful. Thank you very much for watching. These are definitely worth checking out.